Steplead has carved a niche in the industry by introducing a wide gamut of fruit juice bottle filling machine. This machine is manufactured by PLC Delta, having the cylinder, valve, other components approved from the international industry standards. The machine can produce 800 bottles per hour with a filling capacity of 500 milliliters to 5 lit per bottle. The production line of machine is built in one body, therefore, the machine requires less installation space and low maintenance requirements. Steplead are offering hot juice filling machine to our clients. PET bottle rinsing, filling and capping machine is based on an automatic process that takes care of processes involving PET bottle rinsing, filling, capping. Coming with label shrink tunnels, these are suitable for bottles like sauce, beverage water, vinegar as well as other liquids and film packages. Juices mainly need a filling systems for juices with hygienic design but at the same time flexible to be able to manage products with different characteristics, viscosity, tendency to foaming, filling temperature, contents of solids, on the same machine. Steplead can handle these kind of products with traditional level filler with vacuum and recirculation or with new generation volumetric fillers based on magnetic flowmeters. Features of filling systems for juices: fully automatic monoblock operation for 200 milliliters to 2000 milliliters.